everybody. I hope you're doing great. So I know it's been a while, right? um, yeah, I just had a couple of like rough experiences over the summer. I had an issue, and then during the fall, I had another rough experience. And it was just, I just wasn't in the YouTube mood. And then, once you get out of that mode and you're kind of out of the loop, you don't know what's going on in the YouTube world. And so it's just hard to get back into it. And then you feel rusty and stuff because it's been so long. So it's like a whole thing. But anyway, now that the Murakami collection has come out for 2026, I went ahead and got 4 items, I believe. And so I want to share those with you. I think that'll be a good warm up for me to get back into the mode. So I have one to show you here. I have another one that came in, but I want to kind of space them out a little. And then I have another piece that I did film for you guys, an unboxing from the last Murakami a few months ago. And I didn't post it right away. And somehow when I went a couple weeks ago to upload it, I can't find it. So I must have deleted it. And that one's going to be a fun one. It's cute because a fellow YouTuber helped me get that piece, that Murakami piece, through their essay from a different state. So, and that was a hard to get piece. So that'll be a fun story to share with you. So I'll probably post that this week, or I'll probably up a video and post it next week for you guys. So I have a few, 4 or 5 videos coming to see you guys. Okay. So anyways, let's start out with this first piece. So this piece it was supposed to come into the store, and for some reason it was delivered to the house, but whatever, it's fine. And so it came with the Murakami ribbon, so it was all pretty and stuff. And I already had checked it out before I filmed because I wasn't sure when I was going to film, but today was a good day to do that. But yeah, so I guess if you order it online, or even if you order it through the store and it comes through them, if it comes to the house instead, you get the ribbon, because I think when I had the pieces I have from the store, I think just have the blue ribbon in case anyone's curious. But yeah, so there's that. All right, so this item, again, I'm a little rusty, so bear with me if I'm a little pausy or wordy, but this piece, the other items, I think I ordered 3, I was able to pre-order back in December around the 5th or something like that. It was definitely not because of my spending money, of how much I spend. I am definitely not a VIC or VVIC or a quarter VIC or whatever, okay? Nothing. You see what I unbox. You can tally it up if you're ever bored, and I'm far from that. But I think maybe I was able to pre-order early because of just, I've been buying from them for so long, and my sales associate, Rodeo Drive, is near retirement age, I think. And so she probably has a little bit more clout to say, yeah, get her stuff. I don't know, but unless everyone was able to pre-order. Again, I'm out of the loop. I'm not really sure about everyone's story, but I know people like to hear the stories, and I like to hear the stories, so I'm sharing you my story. Okay. So I was able to pre-order 3 pieces. And then while I was, and these pieces were from the Instagram leak pictures, that you can see. So I was able to see them through that, and I was able to order those pieces. She also airdropped me the lookbook while I was there. So when I got home, I was looking through it, and I saw that they had another piece that I'm interested in, that I've always wanted to get in the regular monogram, but I just never did. And I noticed they had it on the lookbook. And so I texted her that day, same day, and said, can I order that as well? Can you send me an invoice? She said, yeah. She checked, she goes, it's not orderable like the other ones were, but we can take your deposit, and then once it is, we'll go ahead and submit that. It took some time, I think even after the release date, when it came early January. I don't think they even were able to order it till after that. So anyway, it came in, here it is. But just for the little backstory, because I thought maybe it wasn't going to be released in America or something, and that's why it wasn't in the leak pics or something. But yeah, it was released. A lot of people did not order it because they weren't sure what the interior would look like, because in the lookbook, it doesn't show the interior. And it has a really cool interior if they do it right. So we weren't sure. But I thought I'll order it, and if it doesn't have the cool interior, whatever, I can return it. So Here we go. The little dust bag. Any guesses what I'm talking about with the cool interior? So this is the, oh my gosh, I don't even remember the name. I'm so out of it. I think it's the Slim organizer. Slim? Pocket holder organizer? I don't remember. But anyway, so here's the exterior. So there's that. When you open it up, this is what everybody was wondering about, because sometimes they don't change the color and it's boring. Look how rad that is. How cute is that? They do. So I love this color block effect that the Slim organizer has. I mean, it's so cute. So this one, and they do put the little like pictures of the collection, you know, the little guys. This one was made in France. Nice contrast, this baby blue. So I just thought it's so cool. Because if you order this in like a solid color, I believe, again, I'm out of the loop, but if I recall, if you order this like in the epi leather or something, it's just going to be all one color, so it's boring, you know. But with the monogram, some of them have the black interior, which looks cool, you know, the like a crisscross color block effect. And so this one, they did make it fun. I'll go ahead and throw in a couple cards just so you kind of see the effect of how it looks. Fit in really easily. There was no struggle. So there's the card there and there. I put one in the back, one here. So you could also put one here, you know, like where this one is. And then it has the snap closure. You can see the little pink on the outside peeking at you. Oh, and that's cool too. I just noticed I'm showing you guys. So from this side, the pink is on the bottom. From this side, the monogram's on the bottom, obviously the pink's on the top because of the crisscross effect. And yeah, I just think it's cool. So I just thought it was a really well thought out piece. I love the glazing. Again, the fact that, you know, it looks like they took some time in picking the colors. You know what I mean? They made it fun and cool and not boring at all. So when you open it up and you know, you can look really interesting. You can look like an interesting person because you have an interesting piece, right? Okay, and then I also wanted to show you the little SKU code of the item. Yeah, slim card holder, multi something. But anyway, there you go. There's the number right there for you, the piece, the full name. So anyways, so there's that. Again, I have some more pieces to show you, and I have the fun story, which I'll probably post that next if I video that next, depending on whatever. Anyway, I have 4 or 5 coming down the line for you guys to see. So I hope all of you are doing great, and until next time, bye.